Retiring CEO of giant asset manager Vanguard shunned Bitcoin ETFs. Will his replacement? The question some are now asking is whether the firm will pivot on crypto after Tim Buckley leaves. 10 years of decentralizing the future, May 29 to 31, 2024, Austin, Texas. The biggest and most established global hub for everything crypto, blockchain and Web3. Register now. Tim Buckley, the Vanguard CEO under whose watch the giant asset manager has shunned spot Bitcoin ETFs, will retire this year and a search is underway for his replacement, according to a statement from the company. While other major U.S. financial institutions have embraced the recently approved Bitcoin ETFs, Vanguard has stood out for not allowing its brokerage customers to do so. The Thursday announcement of Buckley's impending departure has some wondering on social media whether this has something to do with that stance, and whether Vanguard might change its mind under new leadership. Whether it even needs to bother is another question. Bloomberg analyst James Seifert noted Thursday that one of Vanguard's ETFs, VU, which tracks the S&P 500 index, has attracted $15.7 billion in net new money so far this year, double what BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, has collected. Vanguard is doing just fine, my friends, Seifert posted on X. Nick Baker is CoinDesk's deputy editor-in-chief and a Loeb Award winner. His crypto holdings are below CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold. Follow @TinkBacker on Twitter. Learn more about Consensus 2024, CoinDesk's longest-running and most influential event that brings together all sides of crypto, blockchain and Web3. Head to consensus.coindesk.com to register. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.